There's a lot of history around us, and we are going to be leveraging some of that history in this space, and we're delighted to welcome you as we officially open the Artisan Village at Falmouth. Thank you for being here.
As guardians of Jamaica's cultural legacy, we invite you to embrace this heaven of creativity. Indulge your senses and partake in our talented artisans' bountiful offerings. Let us celebrate their craft, passion, and unwavering commitment to preserving our cultural identity.
The Artisan Village is not just a place for showcasing local products. It is a testament of our shared values and pride in our heritage. Here, locals and tourists alike will have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Falmouth's artistic scene. From handcrafted jewelry to unique pottery and everything in between, this village is a treasure trove of one-of-a-kind creations.
This Artisan Village is the product of a wider policy to deal with the issue of upscaling, not just the quality of the cultural offerings of Jamaica, but to scale up the quality and indeed the expressions of things that are truly and authentically Jamaican.
This afternoon marks a significant milestone in the journey towards cultural enrichment and economic empowerment as we come together to celebrate the culmination of an outstanding partnership between the Port Authority of Jamaica and the Tourism Enhancement Fund. It is through collaborative efforts that the vibrant spirit of Jamaican craftsmanship, artisanship, and entrepreneurial spirit of our people have found a new home on this historic site of Hamden Wharf. This artisan village stands as a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and dedication to preserving and promoting our rich cultural history. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my great pleasure to finally say we have opened the Artisan Village, the first artisan village of many more to come.
Falmouth is not an ordinary town. It thrives on the wing of the crowd.
We worked for a long time to create something that is uniquely Jamaican here in the historic port of Falmouth. And today we have seen it come together, not only with the completion of the facilities, but to see the artisans coming into their own with these uniquely beautiful products. And we think it's going to be extraordinarily successful.
We are so thrilled with all the artisans here on display. We're so thrilled with the performers who performed here today. And we're so thrilled with the artificial intelligence, the AR, VR services that we have here today. Spectacular and so exciting, and we really look forward to you coming in and experience this magical show that we have here in Falmouth. Not only is it an enjoyable experience, not only is it seeing outstanding craft and art, it's also diving into the depth of the stories of Falmouth.
I confronted slavery's horrors. My pen